Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something brand new inside Hana, AI image generation. It's a fresh addition that brings AI-powered creativity right into Spline's 2D editor. These tools let you generate images, remove backgrounds, modify, combine, and refine images directly within your design flow. No app hopping, no exporting back and forth, it all happens in one place. You can start from a blank canvas or build upon your own designs. AI simply helps you visualize more ideas quickly and stay in that zone of experimentation that's so essential to design. Alright, so let's talk about where to actually find these tools inside Hana. Once you've opened your 2D file, go to the top toolbar. You'll see the AI icon here, very recognizable with the sparkles. After clicking it, it will open the AI prompt down below. Here you can type prompts and add files. Once you finish your request, click on the blue button to start generating. You can click here to cancel the AI image generation. Nice! You already get this generated image. Pretty cute as the prompt asked. And when you're done using the feature, you can close it by clicking the X button on the top right corner. Now that you know where everything lives, let's take a closer look at how the image generation works. You can type a text prompt and choose from 3 models, Flux, Nano Banana, and Seedream. And click in this blue button. Wait a few seconds, and we'll have our image. Also, you can drag and drop an image into the canvas, select it, and add your prompt to generate an image based on both. Each model brings its own personality and touch to the images, providing flexibility. It's a great way to explore visual directions quickly, perfect for early mood boards, concept sketches, or even production-ready art. An important thing to note is that you can write prompts in any language, so if you want to type in, let's say, Spanish, Portuguese, or Japanese, you absolutely can. Next up, modify or combine. You can select up to 6 images or frames, write your prompt, and generate. You can add a prompt specifying the changes you want made, like add this jacket on this person, for example, or this logo on this coffee cup mock-up. The AI takes them, finds connections, and mixes them into a single composition or entirely new ideas from existing materials. This is fantastic for iterating on concepts, blending different styles, or fusing multiple inspiration sources into a cohesive visual. One of my favorite features is that frames in Hana can act as direct AI references. If you've designed a layout with vector shapes, text, or effects, AI can use that as guidance, generating results that follow your composition or color tone. Let's go through an example. Here we have this very rough signpost created using vectors. We can select this frame and type a prompt, photorealistic wooden sign with village directions. Click on Generate and we'll get an image that matches our initial design. You could go for a more simpler approach or work on something more complex. Frame as reference helps you keep the creative control in your hands while still letting the AI handle the exploration. When you've got something interesting and want to see where else it could go, try variations. Select your image or frame, click Make Variations, and Hana will produce multiple fresh takes on it. Different colors, textures, styles, you name it. It's like having a brainstorming session with your own designs, quick, visual, and all without starting over. Now here's a fast and practical one, background removal. With a single click, AI isolates your subject from the background. It's perfect for mock-ups, product shots, stickers, or any layout where you need clean, reusable assets. When you're ready to present or export at higher resolution, use Upscale. Select your frame and click on Upscale. Now you get high resolution and clarity for high-quality outputs. It sharpens and enhances your image while keeping the original look intact. Perfect for slides, print, or anywhere where clarity really matters. After all that generating and refining images, what else can you do with them? Well, you can use the assets you generate to create interactive experiences by adding mouse interactions, key interactions, and more to them, helping you transform your designs from static visuals to engaging dynamic projects and make them feel more responsive and immersive. To explain this better, let's go through this example. Here, we generated a pair of glasses and generated variations in different colors. We added ellipses with liquid glass to mimic the lenses and created an interaction so when you click on these buttons, it reveals a different color. We also added a text interaction here using booleans and a follow event. This way, the text moves along with our cursor while simulating the magnification of the glasses at the same time. This interactive glasses could work perfectly as a product configurator for e-commerce sites, letting customers preview different color options before purchasing. It's also great for portfolio pieces to demonstrate UI/UX skills or as an engaging hero section on a brand website. Alright, so you've got your design, now let's get it out there. Select your frame and open the three-dot menu or head to the inspector sidebar. In Hana, every frame can be exported as an image, a video, or even as an interactive embed. On Embed Link, you'll find two main export options: public URL to share your design directly online, and embed code. You can copy the code and integrate it directly into your favorite web builder or custom HTML projects. You can also customize size, background, and logo visibility, or enable or disable page scrolling when hovering your design. Hana also supports video export, capturing transitions or animations triggered by start events. Adjust duration, frame rate, and resolution, then simply hit download. And if you update your scene later, just click export again to refresh the link. It automatically stays up to date. For image and video formats, they will update automatically. If you're proud of what you made, you can share it. The Spline community is a great place to post your work, see what others are making, and learn from different styles. Just hit share, switch to the Publish tab, follow the steps, and you're good to go. It's genuinely inspiring to browse what everyone's building, and you can also remix all projects inside the community. AI in Hana is like having a creative accelerator right inside your toolkit. You can use it for branding concepts, illustrations, visual assets, and so much more. It helps you iterate faster and think visually without losing that personal design touch. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope this gave you a good feel for how AI in Hana can enhance your creative process. If you learned something new, give this video a like, check out our Hana playlist for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you in next tutorial.